2024. Kawasaki Ninja 500 First Look. For 2024, Kawasaki is presenting the Ninja 500, refreshing and supplanting the well-known Ninja 400. The most recent in a long queue of little-limit non-ZX Ninja sport bikes, the Ninja 500 gets a bigger 451cc twin-chamber motor notwithstanding refreshed styling, drove lighting, and another LCD instrument group. Joining the arrangement is an up-spec SE model that incorporates premium highlights like a TFT run and keyless start. At the point when the Ninja 400 supplanted the Ninja 300 of every 2018, its skeleton and twin-chamber motor were decisively upgraded, so Kawasaki tracked down compelling reason need to get back to the planning phase for the most recent update. Dependent to a great extent upon the Ninja 400, the 500's expanded motor limit comes kindness of a 6.8 mm longer stroke. Bore is unaltered. Kawasaki claims the motor produces 31.7 lb-ft of force at 7,500 RPM. That top force figure isn't just 3.7 lb-ft more noteworthy thanks to a more extended stroke. It likewise comes 500 RPM prior in the fire-up range. To suit the expanded limit, Kawasaki updated the balancer shaft to subdue vibration, expanded grasp limit, and changed the interfacing bars, driving rod, and cylinder, which remembers an alumite surface treatment for the top ringland. The progressions may not intrigue your mates at the neighborhood bar, but rather, added together, they authenticate the unquestionably exhaustive research and development that underlines Kawasaki's obligation to execution, productivity, and strength of its littlest ninja.